Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing hair that I purchased from Alipearl. So the first thing I want to talk about are the websites. Alipearl has two different websites. You can actually place an order on AliExpress, or they have an actual website, alipearl.com. Next thing I want to talk about is packaging. This originally came in the pink and white logo Alipearl box, but unfortunately, I don't know, I guess I threw the box away. Each bundle is individually packed. On there is the length of each bundle. Alipearl also provides you with 2 wig caps, 1 comb, a hair tie, and there's also an elastic band that's, I guess, if you want to make a unit or if you want to just use that elastic band to sew down to your closure. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. I purchased 3 bundles of deep wave along with a 4x4 lace closure. The lengths are 20, 22, 24 with an 18-inch closure. Next thing I want to talk about is shipping. I ordered this here on the 14th of the month and it got delivered by the post office on the 18th. So shipping is pretty fast. So upon taking these out of the plastic, I'm not gonna lie, it did have a smell, but it's not unbearable to the point where a little co-wash won't help the smell. These wefts are very well constructed. The hair is very full from the top to the ends. So for the closure, you do have options of middle part or getting a free parting closure. What free parting is it allows you to just add a part wherever you would like. For myself, I knew that I was going to be wearing my part only in the middle when I made my unit, so I just went ahead and ordered the middle part. So I believe they parted maybe about 2 inches back. So these knots are not bleached. I don't think that I'm going to be bleaching them. Also, in the front of this closure, there's single knotting, which allows the closure to appear a little bit more realistic. And if you decide that you want baby hairs, they have added those as well. Open up, open up, open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up, open, cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up. In my opinion, guys, Alipearl has hands down the best hair on AliExpress. This hair was not given to me. This hair was purchased with my own money. So I'm here to give you guys the real uncut truth about Alipearl. If you guys want to watch my next video, I'm going to be showing you how I constructed my unit. So yeah, I'll make sure I'll link all the information down below with the details of this hair. I want to say thank you for watching and please join me in the next one. Bye.